What is going on, guys? It's ZOPIFY here with another video. And if you're watching this, I'm sure you probably know, but there's a loophole slash hack, I guess you could call it, that somebody's found on Instagram that allows you to post these super long pictures, and obviously that gets people's attention. You can utilize it, make them see your stuff, but it's really cool. Um, it's probably gonna get patched or fixed fairly quickly, so I'd say do this as quick as possible. And I've seen a few other videos on this, but none of them are really that good. And they're all just kind of other people's pictures. They're not really custom. So this is the video you want to watch. Hurry and watch it and utilize this before Instagram fixes it and you can't use it anymore. If you guys want to see an example of what this looks like, this is how long the pictures are. It's kind of insane how long it is. So the first thing you want to do is just search up this picture. It's called "Do You Love the Color of the Sky?" I guess it was like a meme back in the day or whatever, but you just search it up and save it to your camera roll. It works on Android too. It's not just for iOS, so lucky you guys, but you just save that. Next, you want to download and open this app called PixArt. It's basically just Photoshop for your phone. You might have to sign up and load or whatever, but once you do that, you just click the plus button at the bottom and click on the picture that you just downloaded, and it's going to bring up this whole super long picture. It takes forever to scroll down, but it's fine because once you click this button right here, you can just add your own picture. And I'd recommend doing something either white or black so it's easy to see, and then it will put it over it and zoom in. So you pinch to zoom. Anyway, you get that, and you're going to want to make it so it covers the entire picture that you downloaded, so you don't want to see that anymore. I mean, if you want to, it's fine, but you want to cover that up with whatever picture you want over top. And this might take a second because you want to make sure it's the same dimensions or else it's going to look really weird. You can do, like, say something like "follow me" or something like that, or you can just have a picture of Shrek. I've seen people do. Maybe one of your friends. There's a lot of different things that you could do with this, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to add some text and say "follow me." And I'm not going to make this super pretty or anything because this is just an example of the video, what you could do. But if you devoted a little bit of time to this, you could get it really good and then maybe get a lot of followers off of this. So I know this example isn't amazing, but you can see how it would work. And after that, you're just going to want to click the save button in the upper right, and it's going to save it to your camera roll, and then you just upload to Instagram like you normally would. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. I know this was kind of a quicker video, but I just wanted to get it out there before Instagram finished this off so you guys could use it, because I know they will at some point. They always do. It's a cool trick for right now. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time.